An ice dam is a ridge of ice that develops at the end of the roof and prevents the melting snow from draining as it should. Water backs up behind the ice dam and leaks into the house. It can create havoc in your home by damaging the walls, ceilings, floors, insulation and other areas in your home. Ice dams are extremely common during the winter months in almost all parts of the country. Utah is no exception in this regard. Ice damming is the process of clearing these ice dams from the edge of your roof. Many providers offer ice damming services in Utah. Selecting the best Utah ice damming service is essential to clear the ice dams and save your home from destruction. This article provides a comprehensive overview of ice damming and why you should select a professional service provider when it comes to Utah ice damming. Most of the time, ice dams occur at the lowest edge of a roof. They rarely occur in other locations of a roof. Ice dams usually result from the escape of heat to the roof space. The heat builds up and melts the snow on your roof. The melted snow runs to the cold edge of your roof and forms an ice dam. Many factors determine ice dam activity in a home. Solar orientation, insulation, ventilation, snow cover, tree coverage, the architecture of the home, lifestyle of the homeowners, and weather conditions are some of the most important factors in this regard. No two houses are the same when it comes to ice dam activity. One home in your neighborhood may have a fully fledged ice dam, while another may not have one. Preventing damage from an ice dam is quite important to protect your property in the long run. In fact, it is pretty straightforward. It is all about being proactive and calling a professional ice dam removal company in Utah. Do not postpone the removal of the ice dam in your home.